Finding joy in everyday life isn't about seeking grand adventures or waiting for special occasions. It's about noticing and appreciating the small moments that make up our days. One way to cultivate this sense of joy is by practicing mindfulness, paying full attention to simple activities like savoring your morning coffee, feeling the warmth of sunlight on your face, or listening to your favorite song. Allow yourself to be fully present during these moments, letting go of distractions and worries. Another approach is to express gratitude regularly. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on things you're thankful for, no matter how minor they may seem. A friendly smile from a stranger, a delicious meal, or a quiet evening at home. This habit can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's already good in your life. Engaging in acts of kindness, whether it's helping a neighbor or sending a thoughtful message to a friend, can also bring unexpected happiness. These gestures not only brighten someone else's day, but also foster a sense of connection and purpose. Finally, don't overlook the joy found in routine activities. Cooking a meal, tending to plants, going for a walk, or reading a book can all become sources of comfort and delight when approached with intention and appreciation. By slowing down and finding meaning in the ordinary, you open yourself to everyday joy that's always within reach.